Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, we have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, we have the Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman and sometimes the lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so today is Shannon's 100th video. Yay! So, she has challenged us to do something called a Don Gregor, I think it is, Dutch pour. So, I had no idea who that was. So, she sent a link, and I watched what he did. So, I'm going to do my best to do something here. I have put down black and white pillow. I'm just going to roll with it and see what happens. You know how I am. I'm just going to wing it. I have a bunch of colors here. Some of them are custom. Some of them I've had mixed up for a while. But we're just going to roll with it. So I will just tell you the colors that I can as I put them down. And we'll see how this goes. I'm just going to play some music.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost got me sleep deprived.
I
Alright guys, I think I'm done messing with this. I'm just gonna pick this up and wipe off the sides because, you know, as Nathan says from the fine art of distraction, no dirty bums. You gotta wipe off your drips, otherwise everything will come off the sides and you won't have anything but a mess. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just quite a bit of paint everywhere. Oh my gosh, you should just see me. I'm a complete mess. I've got paint like everywhere. But I don't hate it. It's not my favorite, I'll be honest. I had to work at this one a lot. Part of it was because I had, you know, my paint in the bottles and I couldn't really stop the paint from coming out. I couldn't control it, how much I got on the canvas. So, but other than that, it's okay. It's something different for me. And it turned out okay. I like I said, I don't hate it. I'm a mess though. I like messy though, and you know it's all good. So we had fun, something different. And look at these hands, Nathan. I just want to say with that said that I'm so happy that he's feeling better, and I can't wait till you're back, Nath. So love you. All right, so I am just going to bring you guys down for a close-up and let you guys check it out and see what you think. All right, well, she definitely does look better up close. I like this part for sure. I don't hate it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate you all. Shannon, happy 100th video. Congratulations. I love you. And I hope you guys all have a great day or great night wherever you are. And I will just see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.